Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve Ghost Touch problem on Android. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to solve Ghost Touch problems here in your Android device, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, Ghost Touch on Android devices may be caused by one of two things here. So first is due to hardware reasons, and second is going to be due to software reasons. Now, what do we mean by hardware? Now, hardware means that it's something to do with the physical aspect of your phone. Like, for example, you may want to make sure that your phone is actually clean. Like, if your phone has any debris or any oil on the surface or in the screen, well, sometimes that might be the cause why you're getting that ghost touch on your Android device. So it is highly recommended that you clean your phone here. Maybe use a soft cloth here and a mild solution of like a alcohol or any solution to clean your screen here, as long as it's pretty safe to use. But yeah, once you've cleaned your screen here, see if that solves the issue. Now, if not, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to remove the protective or the cover on your screen here, like the protective cover on the screen. So yeah, you may want to remove that. So sometimes that might be the ones that causing the problem here. So sometimes air bubbles may be stuck inside the screen here, and typically by removing the screen protector, you would solve the problem. But this is not always the case. So you could try it for yourself if you can and see if that actually helps. Now, if both of those does not help here, well, the major reason here is maybe your screen is just too old or your phone is just too old. Like, there are some malfunctions, like as devices are being used, there's like some wear and tear into certain devices, especially for smartphones. So usually you can only use a phone up to 5 years. After that, you'll experience or you'll start to experience major problems with your phone or slow phones. But yeah, if you're sure that you've been using your phone, you're sure your phone is pretty much pretty young enough and it's not that old, where, well, in this case, it might be a software problem here. So yeah, so first things first, you want to go to your settings here and you want to make sure that your phone is fully updated. By going to the About Phone section, you should be able to see any updates that is ready to be installed. Now, if you do see an update button here in your About section, so it depends on your phone, depending on what phone you have right now or other device you currently have right now, you might see an update button in here. You may need to scroll down a bit in here to see that. But yeah, once your phone is updated or the software for your phone or OS for your phone is fully updated, sometimes problems like Ghost Touch would be resolved. Now, if not, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you've basically uninstall any apps that are sketchy. Like, for example, if you've downloaded an app from unknown sources, then you may want to uninstall that. Also, you may want to uninstall certain apps that you've recently installed from Play Store. Sometimes they would interfere with the current apps or processes inside your phone in here. So uninstalling those apps can actually help a lot. And once you've done that, it is highly recommended to restart your phone. So if you can, go and restart your phone if you can, and basically let's see if that helps. Now, if you are not able to access the restart button via the sides of your phone, we actually have a video for that in our channel, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, so in this case, restart your phone and see if that actually helps, and that's about it. So, found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.